I was gifted this beautiful countertop makeup organizer from LAMU, and I just wanted to share with you some of the features. So it comes really securely packed in the box. All that you're going to have to do is remove the tape and then install the two knobs. And then from there, you can just start filling it up with all of the different makeup. I guess you could use this for art supplies as well, but I'm using it to organize my bathroom. So I'm putting in lotions and makeups and all kinds of different things. I do love that the drawers are different heights. So the bottom drawer is about 3 inches, which is really handy to fit larger items. And then the top drawer is a little bit smaller. I love the makeup holder in the top so you can stand upright, all kinds of small tubes. And it's just a very easy way to store everything and keeps your counter super clean. So I was able to fit everything on my counter and in my drawer here, and it's all very organized and easy to see. And I just love the way it keeps everything super organized and clean in my bathroom. And I really love the jumbo size. It's a 5 out of 5 for me.